Hey guys, it's Shayla here and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so the hairstyle I'm going to show you today is actually a super easy one. The look is this one right here. It's just a sleek back ponytail but with a braid down the center. Now this look is kind of Ariana Grande inspired. She has rocked this hairstyle for a while now. She also rocks hairstyles, so she has obviously the two braids coming from the side of her ears up. But today I'm just going to show you a simple one. This hairstyle literally takes a ponytail or a bun from a 0 to 100, like real quick. I have to wear my hair out for work, and this is seriously something that I will just add to my bun or ponytail, and I get so many compliments. Like, people seriously go out of their way to be like, wow, your hair. And honestly, it took me like less than 5 minutes in the morning to do it. It's perfect for dirty hair. Now if you're like me, you don't like washing your hair, put your hands up if you are best friends with dry shampoo. Like, I just don't wash my hair. I'm literally all about that dry shampoo life. So this hairstyle is a perfect one for that last day before your wash, where you have to slick that back and everyone's like, wow, what gel do you use? Your hair is so smooth and slick. And I'm like, it's a great one. Meanwhile, it's actually just oil. Yeah, I'm that person. Okay. Yeah, so some braids, that's me. Let's just get straight into this tutorial. It's an easy one and I hope you enjoy it. So keep watching if you want to find out how I created this Ariana inspired look.